Welcome to the SolaXCloud user guide. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of how to make connection between HAC and inverter and how to set up internet for HAC. Open front cover. Insert communication cable to column 1. Take X1, hybrid G4 as example. Insert communication cable to the COM interface of inverter and secure the connection. After powering the devices, go to Settings, Input Password. Go to Advanced Settings Modbus to set up communication parameters. Set function selection as EVcharger. Set baud rate as 9600. You can go to EVcharger COM stat to check EVcharger connection status. Go to battery charge EVC. You can choose if allow battery to charge the EV charger. Scan the QR code to download SolaXCloud app. After logging in, you'll enter the device page. Click plus on the top right corner to add device. Choose Scan. Select the correct device type and scan the QR code on the sticker of HAC. Follow the instruction to set up Wi-Fi for the device. It will give success prompt after connection. For any issues or further assistance, please contact SolaX official after-sale service.